Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Uragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Uragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Uragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig. Uragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Uragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Uragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Uragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Uragon, ang loto. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Uragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang
Ano, mahorag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Ay, may hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Oragon. Ang laban, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, mahorag ka? Catch Uragon Basketball League on Uragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
The much-awaited semi-final round of Uragon Basketball League is now here. Kasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators para maghatid po sa inyo ng level-up action. I am Christina Canzo Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante para sa ating game number 1 para sa ating semi-final round between Nago College Foundation Tigers and UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
Napakagandang bakbakan din ang naghihintay sa atin ngayong first game, ngayong Sabado, dahil mapapatunayan na nila yung talagang pinagdaanan nila throughout our LVL Cup Season 1. And of course, aabangan pa natin yung mga performances na kailangan nilang ipakita sa atin. Yun na nga, para hindi naman tayo magka-question kung bakit sila nakaabot dito sa ating semi-finals round. Ayun na nga, at papalapit na tayo sa ating championship round 10. Kaya naman mas magiging mainit na yung mga bakbakan natin ngayon. At syempre, grabe na yung impact nitong mga players natin for this game.
And of course, para po sa kaalaman ng lahat, ang Nago College Foundation Tigers po ngayon ang may twice to beat advantage. At last week nga po nakita natin kung paano lumaban itong UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Kaya naman talagang deserve po nila ngayong mapunta sa semi-final round. Kaya abangan po natin kung ano nga bang klase ang larong ibibigay ngayon ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga, knowing na kailangan nilang matalo ang NCF Tigers ng 2 beses para makapasok sa finals. And on the other side, it's a big advantage for NCF Tigers na ngayon, pag natalo sila against UNC Tri-Fit, finals na yung kanilang hinihintay dito, Jasper.
Kaya kaabang-abang talaga din itong mga laban natin ngayong papasok na mga weeks for Uragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1 na andito na tayo sa much-awaited part at papalapit na nga tayo din sa pinaka-exciting part ng ating Uragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1. Well, anybody's ball game, bilog ang bola. Titingnan natin kung talagang pinaghandaan itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga yung laban nila ngayon against the NCF Tigers. Dahil ayun na nga, as you have mentioned earlier, na twice to beat advantage itong ating NCF Tigers. Napakagandang performance ang ipinakita nila simula ng ating OBL Level Cup season up until ngayong paparating na semifinals round.
At kaya naman, ito pag-usapan natin, Jasper, yung naging performance nitong mga players on the side of Nago College Foundation. Well, knowing them, since elimination round, wala po silang talo dito. Clean record simula pa lang elimination round. So now a big advantage for them in the semi-final round kung ano pa ba yung ipapakita nila sa public at sa mga fans nila. Knowing that UNC Tri-Fit, nilaban nila up until the end yung kanilang pwesto para sa semi-final round. Ito, yung mga players like Margalio, Arenzana, and the rest of the players of NCF Tigers. And on the side, kitang-kita po natin dito yung mga players naman ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. At kung mapapanood niyo po yung laban nila last week, talagang napakaganda ng performance po na ipinakita nila dito. We have Karunan, we also have Taukan, the rest of the players of UNC Trifet Naga na ngayon makikita natin muli yung kanilang paglalaro. Gaano ba sila kauhaw makuha yung championship knowing NCF Tigers mahihirapan sila dito, but who knows kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Bilog ang bola po para sa ating semi-final round.
And of course din, nandyan rin ang ating mga sponsors na kasama natin simula ng ating Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1. Of course, we have the Elville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, Del Gold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin, Mariano Optical. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Zai on the side of the NCF Tigers. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Magandang hapon, Tin and Jasper. I bet you're feeling thrilled for our exciting game today along with our viewers here on OBL's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV. This is Shulmar Zai Meniano and I'll be with you as we venture to a new kind of battle. It's the fight between two of the greatest teams sa ating liga, the University of Nueva Cáceres Trifit versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Well, as a Tiger myself, I can feel the roar and the growl of the team today standing strong all throughout the season of the league. Damang-dama ko ang init from the middle to the court side. The Tigers are well appreciated para sa kanilang fast-paced approach and established defense. Kaya tignan natin kung makakayanan ba nilang maangkin ang first quarter. Yan ang dapat nating abangan as we start this game. That's all from the side of the Tigers, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga ang ating NCF Tigers. They are ready to conquer the semi-final round against the UNC Trifet Naga. Kaya abangan natin sino ba yung mag-step up. Most especially during that elimination round, si Margalio, Ayo, Arenzana, Mase. Ito, yung nakita natin kung paano maglaro, most especially Margallo, na ilang beses naging best player of the game during that elimination round. But this time, let's see kung ano nga ba yung magiging combination nitong mga players natin na ang haba nung naging pahinga nila dito, ang haba nung naging preparation nila para sa semi-final round. So there's a lot of chances, there's a lot of opportunity for NCF Tigers. But let's see if magiging consistent ba sila doon sa ipapakita nilang laro ngayong araw na ito.
Ayun na natin, for sure, mas magiging malala yung performance na ibibigay nila dito. And of course, let us acknowledge the presence of the NCF President na naandito sa ating NCF Tigers Court para manood. Engineer Mario Villanueva. Ayan, happy viewing po. And on the other side naman, we have Casey Anchoquia from the side of the UNC Trifet Naga. Nandyan rin para bigyan tayo ng update. Casey, take it away.
Thank you, Tina Jasper at Marhay Naldaw Oragons. Reporting to you live at the NCF Covered Court, this is Casey Anchoquia bringing you exclusive updates on the side of UNC Trifet Naga. Narito na nga tayo sa semi-finals round ng Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup 2025 kung saan maghaharap ang UNC Trifet Naga at NCF Tigers sa isang sagupaan na kahindik-hindik tungo sa finals round. While NCF Tigers has the twice to beat advantage, UNC Trifet won't allow them to easily secure their ticket to the finals. Ani nga ng team, they focus more on defense this time, hoping to clutch the win and make their way into the finals. But will they be able to keep their finals dream alive? Abangan natin ang kanilang sagupaan dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the UNC Trifet Naga. Narinig naman natin na talagang hindi bibigyan ng madaling semifinals round nitong ating UNC Trifet Naga, itong NCF Tigers. The pressure is on them, but they need to clinch this round because ayun na nga, masyadong malaki yung advantage dito ng ating NCF Tigers.
Kaya naman talaga, Jasper, UNC Trifet, what a revelation on their game last week. And now seeing them again na meron lang silang isang linggo para paghandaan itong semi-final round against NCF Tigers. So much pressure on their team, but also so much determination because they really want to get this win, make a history, at talagang i-extend pa yung magiging laban nila for the semi-final round. And we want to see it. We want to see another matchup between NCF Tigers and UNC Tri-Fit Naga. So this afternoon, makikita po natin kung sino nga ba ang mananalo. Is it NCF Tigers or UNC Tri-Fit Naga?
Grabe. Talagang kaabang-abang itong laban na ito, Tin. And this time, we'll be right back for a short commercial break only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lago. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat
And now, we are back inside the court of Naga College Foundation Tigers. And of course, we are live on our Facebook page, Oragon Sports TV, and Jenan TV 48 Naga, as well as Oragon Basketball League Facebook page. Kaya naman, para sa lahat po na naghahanda at gustong manood po, live na live tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. At hindi naman na medyo mainat, kaya naman punta na po tayo para suportahan itong ating dalawang kupunan, which is the UNC Tri-Fit Naga and NCF Tigers. But before anything else, Jasper, of course, pasalamatan lang din natin yung mga sponsors natin na every weekend kasama po natin, sinusuportahan po tayo sa ating mga live coverage. Shout out to Alaville Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, Dolly Gold Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL Kingpin, Morgano Optical, Morgan Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRTB and Construction Supply, Guillemar Casa de Descanso, Orcadias, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, Bicol Concrete Hollow Blocks, Nolcas Construction and Supply, Hardshed Hardware and Construction Supplies, at Machicho Bonus and Chicken. In just a few minutes, we're going to start the semi-final round
Welcome to the
of
semi-final.
NCF Tigers and UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
Was hosted for the Philippine National Anthem and Invocation. Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we gather before you today with grateful hearts as we celebrate the talents, passion, and unity of Oragon Basketball League. Thank you for bringing us together in the spirit of sportsmanship, friendship, and healthy competition. We ask you for your presence here in this arena. Bless every player, coaches, referee, and supporter. Keep all participants safe from harm and injury. May each athlete play with integrity, humility, and respect, showcasing not only their skills, but also the values that bring honor to you. Let this game be more than just a competition. Let it be a celebration of community, dedication, and the joy of the game. May we cheer in kindness, compete with fairness, and leave here inspired and uplifted. All glory and praise to you, Lord. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem.
Bayang magiliw, talas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bagaw. May dinagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Alright, please take your seats. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most awaited match of this year's League, Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1, and we are about to witness the match between UNC Trifid Naga versus the NCF Tigers. And as we proceed with our first game this afternoon, semifinals game. It's a match between UNC Trifid Naga versus NCF Tigers. Before we proceed with the actual game, we will have a photo ops and ceremonial toast. May I request Sir John Salvador.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa lunang buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip.
Let us all welcome the team UNC Trifid Naga. A round of applause, please. May I request the team UNC Trifid Naga to please proceed at the center court together with the head coach.
Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso
Also, we would like to call the NCF Tigers team. May we request Coach Ayo and Miguel Perez to be with the players. May we request the game officiating officials to have their pre-game huddle. Our officiating officials, we have Crew Chief Omboy Faraon, Umpire 1, Louis Navelgas, Umpire 2, CJ Sanchez. Our table officials, Scorer, Sir Jomar Gurong, Timer, Gerald Deliva, Statistician Dion Pilios, and Gunanong Chumasera. Players, first five.
At nakita na nga po natin ang ating dalawang kupunan na maglalaban para sa ating unang laro ng semi-final round. The UNC Trafford Naga and Nago College Foundation Tigers, and we're just waiting for the first lineup the starting lineup of this both teams, at talagang isang magandang laban po ang ihahatid sa atin ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
And of course then, napakagandang pagkakataon ito para magkaroon ng time itong dalawang teams natin na yun na nga, nagkita sila sa gitna ng ating court. Napakagandang tingnan na dalawang teams nakaabot dito sa ating semi-finals round.
We have jersey number 17, jersey number 3, jersey number 14.
And we are near to the introduction of the first five for both of these teams. So we are just waiting for, ayun na nga, yung final
Ladies and gentlemen, for the
lineup.
starting five of UNC Trafford Naga, we have jersey number 3, Adrian Panciasella, jersey number 17, Carona Nico, jersey number 37, Festin Jeffrey, jersey number 7, Garcia Alan, and jersey number 14, Masinas Kenneth. And for NCF Tigers, we have jersey number 8, Joshua Ayo, jersey number 20, Masif Franco, jersey number 14, Margario Alwin, jersey number 18, Mumuni Gino, jersey number 24, Arenzana William. We're now going to proceed with the ceremonial toss.
And as we can see, President Mario Villanueva present for the ceremonial toast for this game, the first game for our semifinals round. NCF Tigers and the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Magsisimula na po ang napakainit na bakbakan ngayong Sabado.
Nakilala na nga po natin ang ating starting lineup from the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga and NCF Tigers. With this combination of players, this is exciting. Now let's see, kanino kaya mapupunta ang first ball possession, the first point here for our first quarter. Now UNC Tri-Fit Naga on the offense side, but that will be an easy turnover here. Now NCF Tigers, Mase. Asking for a screen here. Now Ayo. Chimo's second chance point. That's good para dito sa NCF Tigers. First basket mapupunta sa kanilang side.
UNC Trifit Naga, Caronan to Festin on the outside. Now Batiancela back to Festin on the corner. Batiancela, no good on that triple, but offensive rebound here by jersey number 37. Madudukot naman dito nitong si Joshua Ayo. Now let's see, no good on that attempt by Alvin Margalio, and now what a pass there, but no good on that save. Let's see. Mumuni to jersey number 14. Napakagandang tulungan dito nitong ating NCF Tigers. 4-0 run ang kanilang ginagawa dito. And let's wait for the answer of the UNC Trifit Naga. Batiancela. And an early whistle here. Franco Mase matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of the NCF Tigers.
And also, nakita naman natin kanina, Alvin Margalio on the side of NCF Tigers. Elimination round, kitang-kita na natin yung naging performance niya dito. He is the key player of NCF Tigers. So let's see for the semi-final match kung ano kaya yung gagawin niya. But right on cue, it's the first point of UNC Trifit Naga coming from Masinas. Now, NCF Tigers on the offense. Margalio with 12 seconds to shoot here. Passes here to Mase. No. Aaron Sana double team, but he didn't hesitate on that one. Getting that basket. Now NCF with that 4-point lead.
Now, Garcia to Batiancela on the outside. In and out ball for that three-pointer. Defensive rebound naman dito ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Libreng-libre dito, Alvin Margalio. But no good on that shot. Defensive rebound naman dito by Masinas. And almost losing that ball is Batiancela. Hirap na hirap ditong tumawid itong ating UNC Trifit Naga. Another shot on the outside ba? But Caronan picks it up. And assist to Masinas. Magandang bawi na yung pinapakita ngayon dito ng ating UNC Trifit Naga. And a whistle coming from jersey number 14, Masinas of the UNC Trifit Naga. Dikit po ang ating laban na 4-6 in favor of our NCF Tigers. Nakikita naman natin yung eagerness nitong ating UNC Trifit Naga na wag makalamang ng masyado itong ating NCF Tigers dahil alam naman nila kung paano lumamang itong ating Tigers. Napakahirap ng mabawi. But this time, a close fight for our first quarter. Now, UNC Trifit Naga. Batiancela. Ball guard here by Alvin Margalio. Now, Caronan. No good on that triple. Medyo malamig pa yung kamay nila dito pagdating sa 3-point shots. Now let's see, Joshua Ayo. Jersey number 20. Swings it up to Alvin Margalio. Didiretso ngayon dito. And deflecting that pass is jersey number 17, Caronan. But that is out of bounds as the same ball possession here for the NCF Tigers.
Now with 8 seconds to shoot dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. Na 2-point lead on their side. Arenzana now. But that's a traveling violation. Naitawag dito sa kanilang side. Kaya naman an opportunity arises for UNC Trifit Naga here to tie the game or take on the lead. Caronan double team. Pass on the outside. Now Batiancela. Heavily guarded here by Mase. Now steals that ball. Mase nagmamadali. And a foul was whistled here. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. 6 minutes and 9 seconds para dito sa ating first quarter. At talagang kitang-kita natin yung depensa dito ng dalawang kupunan. At ito na nga yung pinoint out dito ni Coach Miggy on the side of UNC Traffic Naga that they will focus more on the defense dahil alam naman natin ang NCF Tigers malilikot yan sa ilalim, kaya naman yung UNC Traffic, they really need to focus and to double their effort now. First quarter pa lang, pakitaan na agad ng galing dito ang ating dalawang kupunan. Now,
UNC Traffic na ball possession with 15. Magtatawid na ngayon ng bola. Karoon na ng kanyang katulong and almost getting out of bounds is Villaflor, but a pull-up jumper for jersey number 14 is good. They have to keep this shots dahil dun sila siniswerte din dun sa kanilang mid-range jumpers, but they keep on trying on that triple shots. Now, Alvin Margalio naman, hindi makukuha ang 2 points dyan. But the simple possession here for the NCF Tigers, 2 puntos lamang yung lamang nila dito. At hindi pa natin masyadong nakikita din yung init nung laro nitong dalawang kopanan na ito.
now Betito, an exchange of Gimo here, and Estrada, papasok na rin sa side ng UNC Traffic Naga. Wala dito ngayon si Taugan on the side of UNC Traffic Naga that on the last game, maganda yung kanilang pinakita. But now, a three-pointer coming from Franco Mase, brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso. Now, UNC Traffic, ano kayang pambawi dito? 6-11, that's a big up now for our first quarter. Masinas once again with this ball. Tries, long two, no good. Mase getting that rebound. Ayo, solong-solo on the other side. At ngayon nga po, etong NCF Tigers, they are enjoying that quite a lead. But of course, andun pa rin yung kanilang magandang larong pinapakita dito. But now a whistled foul on the side of NCF Tigers. Arenzana dito yung tatawagan dyan ng foul. 6-13 on our scoreboard now, but Yansala, 2 free throws yung ibibigay sa kanya dito. First free throw was good.
And now we are on the midway of our first quarter. Abante dito ang ating NCF Tigers. But Yansela once again getting his second free throw. And the substitutions here. Now NCF Tigers after that baseline inbound by Arenzana, and now Franco Mase nagtawid ngayon ng bola. Let's take a look here. Well guarded here by Amaro, and Alvin Margalio almost losing that ball. Now Franco Mase didiretso naman ngayon para sa napakagandang layup using his left hand. Sinimplihan na naman lang doon itong ating NCF Tigers. Patuloy ang kanilang paglamang dito sa ating first quarter. Now, UNC Traffic Naga, anong sagot naman kaya ang gagawin dito? Estrada, pass to Villaflor. Now, Villaflor on the outside. Grabe, ang daming bantay doon. Pero maaagawan na nga sila dito ng bola. Alvin Margalio, solo moment there for the NCF Tigers. And that fast break opportunity is brought to us by Delagold Philippines.
Now, NCF Tigers with that 9-point lead. Let's see, Franco Mase once again here. 13 seconds to shoot. Ayo, taking up his time. Recorded by Amaro. Anong gagawin niya dito? Na passes on the other side. Margalio. No good. Offensive rebound, Arenzana for that second chance point. Ngayon ito yung maganda sa NCF Tigers. Talagang andyan sila sa baba para tingnan kung for second chance points. Kaya naman talagang ngayon hawak na nila yung malaking kalamangan dito against UNC Traffic Naga. So let's see as Villaflor with this ball, 10 seconds to shoot. And that's good para dito kay Villaflor na nakita din natin kung paano maglaro sa side ng UNC Traffic Naga.
Agad naman ngang binura doon ni Villaflor yung double-digit lead nitong ating NCF Tigers. Now let's see kung anong palagdag ang gagawin dito. Franco Mase pull-up jumper. No good. But the same ball possession here dahil matatawagan siya ng foul. Jersey number 14. And a couple of substitutions here with Taogan. First time checking in for the UNC Tri-Fit Naga as we are down to the last 2 minutes and 47 seconds ng ating first quarter. Now, NCF Tigers, no good on that pull-up jumper, but another opportunity here as San Gabriel getting that offensive rebound. Let's take a look at Betito. Dalawang bantay, walang sinabi kay Betito. 10-21, our running score for the first quarter. Now, Joshua Villaflor, well guarded here by Mase.
Now, Taogan, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. During that first minutes of the first quarter, hinahanap natin dito si Taogan. Now, let's see. Villaflor, nadulas sa kamay niya ng San Gabriel, libreng-libre on that side. Adjusting that lead, and that fast break is brought to us by Daligold Philippines. Now, NCF Tigers with that big 13-point lead here sa ating natitirang 1 minute and 52 seconds ng ating unang quarter. No good on that attempt on the side of UNC Tri-Fit. Now let's see. San Gabriel passes to Betito. And a whistled foul. So free throw shots will be given to Betito now. 10-23.
1 minute and 39 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. And of course, hindi naman natin pwedeng kalimutan ang ating mga sponsors na talagang kasama natin simula't sa simula ng ating Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1. Maraming salamat po. Skarek Advertising, Home Pet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Siruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, and Nisi Raffo Drug Mart. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And now back to the ball game. UNC Tri-Fit's ball possession. Estrada, no good on that triple shot. Now, Betito, another foul here coming from the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And another free throw opportunity naman for the NCF Tigers. Patuloy na paglamang nitong ating NCF Tigers ang ating natutunghayan dito sa ating first quarter of the first game for our semifinals match.
And kitang-kita mo naman na Jasper doon sa baba. Grabe yung gwaradya dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. But now, with this remaining minutes and seconds of our first quarter, yung ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga, they need to build a momentum here. Most especially, the pressure is on sa kanilang kupunan dahil kailangan nilang makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito if they really want to extend their semi-final appearance sa ating Oragon Basketball League. Now, Fastin, heavily guarded here by Palillo. Tries, no good. Betito now, running para dito sa NCF Tigers. Diretso, no good. Now Sakido with that rebound, but a whistled foul there. 55 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And also a quick shoutout lang, Jasper, sa lahat ng nanonood po sa ating mga Facebook pages. Shoutout kay Janayla Basales, Jameson Brenya, James Angelo Gabata at Marniela Berido. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now as we continue this first quarter of the game, UNC Tri-Fit naghahanap pa rin dito ng butas. Because as we can see, that's a big gap of NCF Tigers before this first quarter ends. 44 seconds remaining. Now, Taogan goes inside, tries. And that's a point with a foul here. So a 3-point opportunity para dito kay Taogan ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
Napakagandang pagbawi naman dito ni Kevin Tauga on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Medyo hindi pa natin nakikita yung laro dito ni Tauga on the side of the Tri-Fit. And also, yung ibang players nila dahil parang malamig pa yung kanilang mga kamay for the first quarter. So we'll wait for the second quarter kung ano pa yung mga ipapakita nilang performances dahil kailangan na talaga nilang yung trabahuhin dahil kilala natin itong ating NCF Tigers talagang gusto nila makalayo na, yung hindi na mahabol. And as we can see, no good on that 3-point attempt by San Gabriel. And matatawagan dito jersey number 16. Blocking foul. At 2 free throws nga ang ibibigay dito. Again, tutaugan. Napakaganda pa naman din ng free throw percentage nito ni Taugan.
Pero no good on that first free throw coming from Taugan here. And it's Brito with that foul. Ngayon, 16 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Kailangan na i-build yung momentum dito sa side ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Now let's see with this last ball possession for this quarter. Palilio. Now waiting for that time. 7 seconds. Let's see. Palilio for a 3-pointer. No good. Now a chance. San Gabriel. Naipasok pa po yung kanyang huling basket dyan. And now we end it. 30.
For a 3-pointer, no good. Now a chance. San Gabriel. Naipasok pa po.
For our second quarter of the game, brought to us by 3N Bakery.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, mahorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lakas sa puso.
And we are back here at the NCF covered court for the second quarter of action. 30-27 ang ating naiwang score on the first quarter. And this time, titingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga ipapakita nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Dahil it's the semifinals round at abanting-abante dito ang ating NCF Tigers. Now, the UNC Tri-Fit Naga have to get this quarter dahil ayun na nga, kakasabi lang natin. What a 3 points there by Batian Sela, brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso. Napakagandang puntos naman dito sa ating second quarter. Now, NCF Tigers basketball, anong sagot nila dito? Now, Gabito to jersey number 10, Nuwada. San Gabriel on the outside. No good on that triple. Saktong-sakto sana dun sa pagtatapos nung 24-second shot clock. And this time, pass to the wrong person naman yung mangyayari dito sa UNC Tri-Fit Naga. At napakagandang connection nitong si San Gabriel and Nuwada. And that assist, it is brought to us by Mariano Optical.
At ayan nga, Jasper, nakita natin nagsisimula pa lamang po yung ating first quarter, but turnovers on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga na nakita din natin during that first quarter. So they need to lessen that as of the moment. But as you can see, that kind of connection of UNC Tri-Fit, yun yung kailangan ngayon nila. Yun yung kailangan nilang pagtrabuhin, yung kanilang depensa dito. If they really want to lessen that gap of NCF Tigers. Now, Gabito, but a whistled foul on that one.
That was stepping on the line. Kaya naman, turnover dito para sa UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Now, Karonan after that baseline inbound. Now to Taugan. Anong gagawin nila dito? Let's take a look here. Taugan on the outside. Well guarded here. But traveling violation ang itatawag sa kanila dito. And of course, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Ayan. Talagang yung turnovers natin dito, problema. Pagpasok pa lang ng second quarter. So they need to lessen that, both teams, NCF and UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Now let's see here, San Gabriel with 18 seconds to shoot. Passes to Gabito. Now heavily guarded here by Masinas. Now good ball rotation here, Palillo. No good on that one. Now UNC Tri-Fit Naga, an opportunity for them. Basket count with a foul here para dito kay Masinas. Ito yung mga magagandang combination ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And talagang binabawasan nila paunti-unti po. 9 puntos na lang yung tinatrabaho dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. And to hear an update on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga, let's hear from our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, ano update natin dyan?
Tin and Jasper, nagsimula ang laban ng dikit ang puntos ng ating dalawang koponan. But as the game progresses, the NCF Tigers have now taken the lead. Despite that, UNC Tri-Fit's eagerness to seize control was evident during the first quarter, and they will surely keep that spirit alive here sa second quarter. And speaking of that, Coach Miggy advised the team to put the pressure on the Tigers upang maputol ang momentum ng kanilang kalaban. UNC Tri-Fit is still in the game at abangan natin kung paano sila makakabawi for the second quarter. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Ayun na nga at kailangan nating matunghayan kung paano babawi itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga dahil malaki na yung kalamangan na nagagawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers at patuloy yung kanilang paglamang. Hindi nila nagagawa ng solusyon kung paano nila hihintuin yung momentum ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. And ayun na nga, narinig naman natin na in-advisean sila ni Coach Miggy na to put that pressure on the side of the NCF Tigers para matigil nga yung kanilang momentum. And as we can see, napapadalas rin yung free throw opportunities dito ng ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Well, they have to utilize this free throw opportunities para naman makabawi pa onti-onti dito sa ating second quarter.
But as we can see, even free throws medyo hindi ganon kaganda yung ipinapakita ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga from the first quarter and even now dito sa ating second quarter. And with that, another point conversion on the side of NCF Tigers and an assist brought to us by Mariano Optical. Now UNC Tri-Fit Naga on the offense side. Another basket count with a foul, and it's Masinas once again with that kind of performance. Kung kanina sa ating first quarter, medyo tahimik dito si Masinas, but right now in our second quarter, pinapakitaan tayo na magandang performance dito. Now a 10-point gap of NCF Tigers. Now, let's see, with this 10-point lead of NCF, ano pang gagawin dito ng NCF Tigers for our second quarter? And we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, things are looking good nga dito sa side ng Tigers. With enough passes and attention to defenses, they were able to contemplate the next movement of their opponent. We saw some incredible shots from our players, but they have to increase their efforts on team coordination since may mga areas pa din sila na medyo nalalak. Aside from that, Jasper and Tin, they have to remain consistent and pay attention to every little movements they make. We're just here sa second set or the second quarter, kaya we'll be able to see more sa susunod na mga minuto. That's all for now from the side of the NCF Tigers. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Ayun na nga, kailangan pa nilang paigtingin dito yung kanilang team coordination para patuloy na paglamang yung mangyayari sa atin or sa NCF Tigers ngayong second quarter. And as we can see, napapadalas rin yung kanilang mga fouls dito. Now they have to take care of their fouls dahil this will be a very beautiful opportunity pagdating sa ating sa UNC Tri-Fit na makabawi dito sa ating second quarter. Now let's see, jersey number 6 of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga, diretso na nga dyan. Ayun, kaka-mention lang natin Tin. Another foul here from the from the NCF Tigers. And 2 free throws ang ibibigay dito kay Sakido. And that first free throw was good on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga as we are approaching the midway of our second quarter. Pero malakas itong ating NCF Tigers pagdating sa defensive rebound. Nakuha na naman nila yung rebound na yon. But no good on that triple attempt by jersey number 27 of the NCF Tigers.
Now 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining for our first half. Now we're halfway through it. At 10 pa rin po ang hawak na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. So let's see, ano pang gagawin dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga na medyo nahihirapan sila doon lumusot sa mga gwardya ng NCF Tigers. Now Sakido, now regarded here. Papasok sa loob, tries, and that's good. Ito yung mga magagandang plays dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. They just need to be consistent with their gameplay now. NCF Tigers on the other side with 15 seconds to shoot here. Enjoying that 8-point lead from their team, but of course, no room for complacency here. Now, Palahe. And that will be a turnover. UNC Tri-Fit Naga, an opportunity for them to lessen that gap before this quarter ends. Karunan passes to Togan. Now tries Masinas. No good. Now let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng NCF Tigers.
Grabe, napakadaming bantay doon. But Palahe, in and out ball for that pull-up jumper. Now let's see, Karunan, diretso naman dito. Grabe. Napakadaming bantay sa ilalim. At 2 free throws naman yung makukuha dito ni Nico Caronan on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Madalas talaga dito yung kanilang mga free throw opportunities. Now let's see if Caronan can get this 2 free throws. That first free throw was good. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining on our second quarter. And 7-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. A chance to cut off by 6 here. At ayun na nga, Caronan gets his 2 free throws for the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And now NCF Tigers, anong sagot naman yung gagawin nila dito? Let's take a look at Palillo here. Now, Arenzana back to Palillo on the outside. A good ball rotation shown by the NCF Tigers. Jersey number 10, in and out ball yung nangyayari dito. Pangalawang beses na dito sa ating second quarter. And now, Nico Caronan, napakagandang bawi naman din yung natutunghayan natin. 4 na puntos na lamang yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga from that double-digit lead. Ngayon, 4 points na lang.
Now, with this duration of this second quarter, ito na po yung pinakamababang kalamangan na nagawa ng NCF Tigers. But UNC Tri-Fit Naga, meron pang pagkakataon now that they steal that ball. Let's see. UNC Tri-Fit Naga, Sakido tries. Too much guard on that one. At lost opportunity para dito sa side ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. 4 na lamang sana yung kanilang hinahabol dito. But that will be a turnover on the side of NCF Tigers. So let's see. With this kind of momentum, little momentum on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga, anong gagawin yung ng mga players dito sa side ng NCF Tigers to bring back that big gap against UNC Tri-Fit? Now, Margallo once again inside the court here to add an intense matchup. Now, Mase, 2 minutes and 37. Passes here to Cervantes. Now back to Margallo with 12 seconds to shoot here. Hahanap ng papasahan. Katamora. Now to Mase. Down to 5. Let's see here. Ayo with that long 3. No good. But Cervantes, wala pa rin para dito sa NCF Tigers na UNC Traffic Naga. Trying and Taogan getting that basket, and now we're only looking at that 2-point lead of NCF Tigers now, and we are now on our 2-minute mark for this halftime.
Ayun natin, nagiinit na yung laban nitong dalawang teams na ito. Ito yung kailangan natin or gusto nating matunghayan dito sa ating semifinals round. And now, another 4-point lead ng ating NCF Tigers. But we can see the struggle dito ng Tigers now. UNC Trifit Naga, pull-up jumper, no good on that shot. And a defensive rebound here by Franco Mase with that spin. Grabe, kailangan na nila ditong seryosohin yung laro. And 2 free throws naman yung makukuha dito ni Franco Mase. And as we can see, nakikita natin din yung eagerness nitong ating UNC Trifit Naga. Talagang gusto pa nilang magkaroon ng appearance for our semifinals dahil ayun na nga, twice to beat advantage itong ating NCF Tigers. Well, they have to beat Tigers for this game para magkaroon pa sila ng laban for our semifinals round.
Yes, and of course, both teams meron dinadalang pressure dito. On the side of UNC Trifit Naga, kailangan nilang makuha yung panalong ito. Sabi mo nga to sipa yung kanilang laban next week for NCF Tigers, pero pressure din doon sa side ng NCF Tigers knowing na meron na silang twice to beat advantage, kaya kailangan na nilang makuha yung panalo ngayong hapon na ito para maghintay sa ating championship round. Now, a whistled foul para dito kay Franco Mase ng NCF. 33-39 on our scoreboard here. Back to 6-point lead ng NCF, 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. And now, Festin on that free throw line. First free throw was good. Ito yung sinasabi natin na even free throws, most especially sa side ng UNC Trifit Naga, importante po yan. But of course, importante din po ang ating mga sponsors. Kaya shoutout din sa ating Laman Residences, Home Pet, Crown Park, Superb Cuts and Soul, Mangkok's Kinalas at Laod Seruma. Maraming salamat po.
Now, NCF Tigers, Joshua Ayo on the outside. Mukhang titira na naman ng long 3 daw si Joshua. Now, grabe, buti na lang nandun si Mase to save that blind pass. And shot clock expires here for the NCF Tigers. Now, UNC Trifit Naga, Festin ngayon, magtatawid ng bola. Almost deflecting that ball is Mase. And now, Alwin Margallo securing that defensive rebound. Wow! Parang may pakpak na doon. Itong si Alwin Margallo. And of course, Tigers can have wings, and that fast break opportunity is brought to us by Del Gold Philippines. Now Amaro on the outside for the UNC Trifit Naga. 10 seconds on the game clock. Caronan makakakuha pa nga dito ng 2 points. 4 seconds here for the NCF Tigers. 1 second. And Joshua Ayo almost getting that buzzer beater shot. At that's the end of our second quarter. And dyan lamang po kayo dahil magkakaroon lang po tayo ng halftime break brought to us by MNL Kingpin, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
So completely yours.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Go to catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. I'm a suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Aragon Basketball League on Aragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang magkatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi namin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang logo. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back, Bicolandia, para sa ating second half ng semi-final round of Naga College Foundation Tigers and UNC Tri-Fit Naga with the score 36-41. Iniwan po natin sa 5 puntos na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. But if naaalala niyo po during that second quarter of the game, malaki-laki po yung sinimulan ditong kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, pero pinagtrabahuhan ng UNC Tri-Fit. Paunti-unti nilang binawasan yung kalamangan na ginawa dito ng NCF Tigers. So they just need consistency right now dahil NCF Tigers, kung gaano kaprosigido ang UNC Tri-Fit Naga, ganun din po yung gagawin nila, most especially that we are now on our third quarter. Now, Franco Mase will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. First basket was good. Now, balik na naman sa 6 yung kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. So, ito yung kailangang pigilan ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Third quarter, very crucial quarter for a basketball game. So, both teams needs consistency right now. Less turnovers dahil yan din yung naging problema nila during that first half. Now, another opportunity for NCF Tigers. Ayo, passes to Marcayo. Once again, nakita na naman natin si Marcayo lumilipad. At ilang beses niya po yung pinakita during the first half of the game. And he really shows us na he is one of the key players of NCF Tigers right now. Let's see, UNC Tri-Fit, anong pambawi dito? Amaro, 10 seconds to shoot here. Hahanap dito ng papasahan. Caronan against Arenzana. No good. Offensive rebound, but look at that. Guards sa ilalim ng NCF Tigers. Mase. Ngayon, dire-diretso na. Napakaganda po ng momentum sa pagpasok ng third quarter on the side of NCF Tigers. Kung kaninang 5 po, ngayon, 11-point lead po ng UNC of Tigers. So let's see ang UNC Tri-Fit Naga para maibalik yung kaninang momentum na nagawa nila.
Ayun na nga, back-to-back points yung ginawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, another opportunity for them to score here. Now, Arenzana, pass to Franco Mase. Now, didiretso ngayon, jersey number 7, Betito. No good on that fadeaway shot. UNC Tri-Fit Naga magkakaroon dito ng opportunity para makasagot. Pero, sinalubong pa doon ni Joshua Ayo. The same ball possession pa rin dito sa ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Well, they have to double, triple their effort here sa ating third quarter dahil mahirap na pag sineryoso na nitong ating well, seryoso sila sa laro nila ngayon, but we all know na may ibubuga pa itong ating NCF Tigers. 2 points on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Magandang pagbawi naman dito sa ating third quarter. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Zai on the side of the NCF Tigers. Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
NCF Tigers and the UNC Tri-Fit at sigurado akong ramdam na ramdam nyo din ang init ng tanghali at init ng puso as we proceed with our match today. Score is stable dito sa side ng Tigers with sufficient power and conditioned shots. I feel like there's a high chance na mauuwi ng champions ang kampyonado ngayong araw, but it's still too soon to tell since a lot can happen in just one quarter. Setting that aside, Jasper and Tin, the Tigers will try a stronger approach this time, kaya tignan natin kung paano pa kaya ang adjustments nila. That's all for now from the side of the NCF Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Jack.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan, NCF Tigers will try a stronger approach here for our third quarter. And we are seeing that right now. The offense to defense, we can see that they really level up it from the first half of this game. And now NCF Tigers really showcasing diversity as well as commitment dito sa loob ng kanilang court. Now let's see kung ano pambawi dito ng UNC Tri-Fit, because as we can see with this gap, napakalaki na po nung nailamang muli ng NCF Tigers. And look at that, another steal on the side of NCF Tigers. And now Ayo, with the help of that screen, ngayon nakuha ni Joshua Ayo yung trust po dyan at hatid po yan sa atin ng Gilmar Casa de Descanso. Now with our scoreboard, 40-55, that's a big 15-point lead. Now let's see anong gagawin dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga para mabawasan yung kalamangan na yan. And to hear an update, andyan po si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita natin?
Jasper and Tin, unti-unti nang lumiliit ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers laban sa UNC Tri-Fit. This is a good sign for the team na lalo pang sipagan sa opensa at mas higpitan pa ang kanilang depensa upang makamit ang kontrol ng laro. Now, UNC Tri-Fit is slowly gaining momentum. Now, UNC Tri-Fit is slowly gaining momentum and all they have to do is capitalize on every opportunity to finally close the gap. Makukuha na kaya ng UNC Tri-Fit ang kalamangan for this quarter? Ano sa tingin nyo? Tin and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. At kailangan talaga ditong bumawi nitong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga dahil patuloy na yung pag-angat ng ating NCF Tigers. And a blocking foul here on the side of the NCF Tigers. Another chance here for the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Kung ano man yung gagawin nila dito. Now, Masinas. Sinabayan pa dyan ni Arenzana. 2 free throws naman yung makukuha dito ni Masinas on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. As we're approaching the midway of our third quarter, 17 big points, bawasan ng isa ni Masinas. At syempre hindi natin kailangan kalimutan yung ating mga sponsors. We have Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness and Beauty Center Naga, Ako Bicol Party List, Surge of Fitness Lifestyle, Anjana Trading, and Angel's Pizza. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1. At syempre yung mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live, we have Osmundo Francia, Woody Wood, Thesti Ansay, Rob Pinolio, Romel Borromeo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta at patuloy na panonood sa ating Facebook Live. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And this time, matatawagan naman dito ng foul jersey number 3 of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And 2 free throws naman yung makukuha dito ni Alvin Margalio on the side of the NCF Tigers. Another opportunity para dagdagan yung kanilang puntos dito.
Now, 4 minutes and 29 seconds. We're halfway through our third quarter. At ngayon po, napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan na ginawa dito ng NCF Tigers, which is like what Zai said, ang dami pong pwedeng mangyari sa kada quarter. So, ang aga pa para sabihin natin kung sino nga ba ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. But let's see if anong gagawin din dito sa side ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Most especially sila yung naghahabol dito. So they need to tighten their defense, more on the offense side. So let's see. Kasi yung NCF Tigers, nile-level up din nila yung kanilang pinapakitang performance dito. So let's see kung anong gagawin ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Now 44-59 on our scoreboard. Villaflor with the ball, passes now to Togan with 15 seconds to shoot here. Now Togan, papasok sa loob. Pero ang daming bantay doon sa loob. We have Chimo, Arenzana, and Palilio. Talagang twin tower itong si Arenzana and Chimo. Now let's see, with 9 seconds to shoot on the side of UNC Tri-Fit. Togan, heavily guarded here. Step back. Now, goes inside. Passes to Carona, too short for that one. And CF, an opportunity for them. Palilio to Ayo. Now let's see, heavily guarded here. Pass on the outside, now Margallo for 3. That's good, a clean basket coming from Margallo. Brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso. Now, another turnover here for NCF. Margallo once again. Basket count with a foul. Now another 3-point opportunity for Margallo. And look at that point. And look at this instant replay on that last sequence of that 3-pointer coming from Margallo. Brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline Station. Now, that's a big 20-point lead of NCF Tigers now. This is the biggest gap dito po sa ating semi-final matchup of UNC and NCF.
And of course, that instant replay is brought to us by Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline. Grabe, 6 points agad yung naibigay doon ni Alvin Margallo. 2-3 sa sunudan na tira. And this time, UNC Tri-Fit Naga, anong gagawin dito? Batian Sela swings to jersey number 6, Sakido. Ngayon naman, napakalaki ng bantay niya doon. And 9 seconds na lamang yung shot clock dito ng ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Arenzana with that stepping on the line. Bawi ka agad itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga yung ball possession nila doon. Now, Caronan for that baseline inbound. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Batian Sela with that pull-up jumper. Instantly pagkatapos ng baseline inbound. And this time, Jimo looking for a pass here. And Arenzana is there to get that 2 points on the side of the NCF Tigers. And that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. And this time, UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Anong gagawin dito? Masinas pull-up jumper, no good. But offensive rebound here by Kevin Taugan. And now, didiretso ngayon kahit maraming bantay, but still no good. On their side, Palilio naman ngayon for the NCF Tigers. San Gabriel Back to Palilio. And now Alwin Margalio on that sweet spot. Pass to the wrong person here. Kevin Taugan. Talagang kinuha niya na yung chance na yon. With a back-to-back points for both of these teams, 48-67 ang ating running score sa 2 minutes and 15 seconds na natitira sa ating third quarter.
Now, look at that kind of defense from the side of NCF Tigers. Talagang UNC Tri-Fed struggling inside dahil doon sa malalaking bantay sa loob ng NCF Tigers. But let's see now with this offensive side of NCF. Chimo will be on that free throw line for 2 shots after that whistle foul. 48-67 on our scoreboard. At meron na lamang po tayong natitirang 2 minutes and 6 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari, but of course nakuha na sana ng UNC Tri-Fit yung kanilang timpla during that second quarter of the game. But at the same time, binawi agad ng NCF Tigers sa pagpasok ng third quarter, and they consistently get the point there. At medyo nahirapan na nga yung UNC Tri-Fit Naga dyan. So, fourth quarter, deciding quarter for both teams if magkakaroon ba tayo ng extension ng semi-final round, or NCF Tigers will be named as the first team that will go on to our finals para dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League LOL Cup Season 1. Now let's see here, Batian Sala for a 3-pointer, no good. Wala pa rin para doon sa second chance dito sa side ng UNC Tri-Fit. Now, an opportunity for NCF here. Nuwada passes to his teammate, now Palilio. 14 to shoot here. Tries for a 3-pointer. Another clean 3 points para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. And that 3-point shot is brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso.
Now, UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Batian Sela. Well guarded here. Ayun na nga. Pass to the wrong person na naman. Palilio. Back-to-back points here for the NCF Tigers. Napakagandang performance na yung pinapakita nila dito. At patuloy na yung pag-angat ng kanilang team dito sa ating third quarter. 1 minute and 4 seconds remaining. Kailangan na talagang ayusin dito ng ating UNC Tri-Fit dahil mukhang hindi na sila nito bibigyan ng time para magkaroon ng magandang momentum. Kilala natin itong ating NCF Tigers. Lalong-lalo na twice to beat advantage sila ngayon. Pero nakikita natin na walang lugar para maging kampante dito itong ating NCF Tigers. Now, another chance here. Grabe, back-to-back points by the NCF Tigers. Now, Batian Sela, UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
15 seconds to shoot here. Karunan heavily guarded. Now, Garcia. Andyan si San Gabriel to steal that ball. San Gabriel nakuha muli ang 2 puntos na yan, extending that lead. Now, with 11 seconds remaining here, can UNC Tri-Fit Naga convert a point here? That's a very big gap now. Sakiro, 4 seconds to shoot. Tries. That's good para dito sa UNC Tri-Fit Naga. But that's the end of this quarter. At sa ating huling quarter, sino nga bang mananaig? Will it be NCF Tigers or UNC Tri-Fit Naga? Pagbabalik po kami, brought to us by here 3 Bakery dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay.
are back dito sa NCF covered court for the fourth and final quarter of action. NCF Tigers versus the UNC Tri-Fit Naga at napakalaking puntos or napakalaking lamang yung nagawa dito ng ating NCF Tigers. 27 big points. Titingnan natin kung makakabawi ba itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga dahil alam natin na hindi sila bibigyan ng oras nitong ating NCF Tigers na makabawi. Kung baga, kailangan nilang sumabay sa performance na ipinapakita dito ng ating NCF Tigers. And that fast break opportunity is brought to us by Dela Gold Philippines. Patuloy na pag-angat ng kanilang puntos dito. And now, UNC Tri-Fit Naga, bigay na kung bigay yung dalawang koponan natin dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Pero may pa-follow up shot naman dyan itong si Sakido. At stepping naman yung ginawa dito ni Palilio. Very crucial error on the side of the NCF Tigers. Dahil nakikita naman natin fast facing na yung nagiging laro nitong dalawang teams na ito.
Now, 52-79 on our scoreboard. Biggest gap para dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. So let's see na pabawi ng UNC Tri-Fit na isang quarter na lamang yung kailangan nila. 8 minuto o 9 na minuto na lang yung kailangan nilang pagtrabahuhan dito. Now, NCF Tigers, an opportunity again here. San Gabriel passes here to his teammate. Nuwada tries. No good. At kitang-kita naman natin ngayon, UNC Tri-Fit struggling to convert a point here. But at the same time, on the other side of things, NCF Tigers, napakaganda ng kanilang performance dito. Kaya ano pa kaya yung gagawin? Ano pa yung ipapakita ng NCF Tigers sa ating huling quarter? At para malaman yan, andyan si Zai. Hi Zai, take it away.
Jasper Anton, here we are at the last quarter for today's game. Based on our scoreboard, I don't think the Tigers have any intentions na ipatalo ang larong ito. The gap is impressively wide, just like the range of our team's shooters. The accuracy is on point, kaya sa tingin ko, isa to sa mga nakapagpa-assert ng dominance sa loob ng korte. Kaya naman, during this last quarter, I think it's safe to say na konting pasa at tulo ng pawis na lang ay magwawagi na silang maipanalo ang larong ito. Again, Tin and Jasper, this is Shulamar Zaminiano from the side of the NCF Tigers. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai, on that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. Kitang-kita natin yung dominasyon na ginagawa nitong ating NCF Tigers. Seryosong-seryoso na makasecure ng spot dito sa ating semi-finals round. At talaga yung title nilang undefeated dito sa ating OBL LVO Cup Season 1 talagang pinaghahawakan nila. At hindi madali para sa UNC Tri-Fit Naga na makuha yung isang talo nila dito sa ating OBL LVO Cup Season 1. Still unstoppable team NCF Tigers. Nakikita naman natin dun sa kanilang performance, walang kapaguran, back-to-back opportunities at back-to-back scores yung ginagawa nila dito. And on the side naman of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga, kailangan nilang doblehin, triplehin yung effort nila dito with Festin getting that triple on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And of course, that is brought to us by Gilmar Casa de Descanso. Well, they have to keep this kind of effort para naman makabawi dito sa ating fourth and final quarter dahil natunghayan naman natin na all out na kung all out itong ating NCF Tigers with Garcia not getting that 2 points on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Mas malakas pa rin yung opensa at depensang pinapakita nitong NCF Tigers. Well, wala silang pinapalampas din na opportunity. Nakita natin yung adjustment pagdating sa kanilang team coordination dahil talagang pasa kung pasa. Walang kanya-kanyang plano itong ating NCF Tigers with Nuwada passing it to San Gabriel kahit tira niya na yon. Grabe. Napakagandang performance pa rin up until the fourth quarter of our semifinals round kontra dito sa ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga Now, on the side of the UNC Tri-Fit Naga, nandyan rin si Casey para bigyan tayo ng update on the side of the Tri-Fit. Casey, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, we are now on the final quarter of the game, and this will be a crucial stretch for both teams as they fight for a chance in the finals. Patuloy pa rin ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, but the UNC Tri-Fit remains determined to defy the odds and take back their momentum. Ito na nga ang huling quarter for this game, and the UNC Tri-Fit needs to keep the fire burning, tighten their defense, and secure the offense. Mahahabol at malalang mga nakaya nila ang rhythm ng NCF Tigers. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. And dun pa rin yung positive mindset ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga. At kanina nga po, a 3-pointer was committed on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga, lessening that gap. But still, it is much bigger with this 5 minutes and 47 minutes na natitira po sa ating final quarter. So if UNC Tri-Fit Naga, kung gusto pa talaga nilang makuha yung kalamangan dito, lessen that gap, they need to double their effort right as of this moment. Talagang bantayan ng maigi yung mga players dito ng NCF Tigers at mas paigtingin din yung kanilang offense dito sa natitirang minuto ng ating laro. Now, Sakiro, offensive rebound, but NCF gets that ball. Ito yung sinasabi natin na ang daming turnovers on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Kailangan gawan nila ng paraan yung mga nawawalang opportunities sa kanila. Because with this remaining minute ng ating fourth quarter and with this big gap of NCF Tigers, medyo mahihirapan yung UNC Tri-Fit Naga. But kung papakitaan pa tayo dito ng magandang performance, walang imposible po sa minutong ito. Now, Palilio on the side of NCF Tigers with this ball possession. The passes on the other side. San Gabriel dire-diretso. No good on that attempt. Now, UNC Tri-Fit Naga looking for a point. Pero wala para dyan kay Taugan. 4 minutes and 42. Let's see here. But on that last sequence, a whistled foul here. So Nawada will be out free throw line for 2 shots here. 58-83. That's a big gap of NCF Tigers. So now Nawada, an opportunity for him para dagdagan pa yung kalamangan na ginagawa nila ngayon.
Napakagandang performance yung natunghayan natin dito for both of these teams. At susunod na laban natin for the second game of our semi-finals match, it will be the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights versus the USI Falcons. Magandang laban din yan, Tin. Lalong-lalo na, it's our semi-finals. And now, Nawada getting his 2 free throws on the side of the NCF Tigers. 58-84 lamang po. Masyado ang ating NCF Tigers. Now, let's see if ano pa yung magiging sagot dito ng ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga. But on that last sequence, foul itatawag dito kay Nawada on the side of the NCF Tigers. 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Now, Ken Estrada, let's see. Grabe, medyo nawawalan dito ng kumpiyansa itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga. Back-to-back errors na yung nangyayari sa kanila dito. Well, aside sa pressure kasi, Tin, na undefeated itong ating NCF Tigers, kitang-kita naman natin yung performance nitong ating NCF Tigers. Kaya it's really hard for the UNC Tri-Fit Naga na bumawi dito sa ating semi-finals match. But nakita naman natin, Tin, yung eagerness, yung dedication nila na makabawi.
Now, 58-84 on our scoreboard. At meron na lamang po tayong 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. So, in that remaining minute, ano pa kaya on the side of UNC Tri-Fit Naga? Mababawasan ba nila yung malaking kalamangan na yan ng NCF? Let's see here, Villaflor. Tries, no good. Pero andyan si Vestine to get that offensive rebound. Once again for Villaflor. 2 steps behind, no good. Now let's see here. Abangan din po natin mamaya ang ating second game for our semi-final round. It's between Universidad de Santa Isabel Falcons and Ateneo de Naga University Golden Knights para sa ating huling laro ngayong araw na ito. And of course, ang USI Falcons po ang may hawak ng twice to beat advantage. Same with NCF Tigers. Kaya naman po, isang magandang laban din po ang ating matutunghayan maya lamang. Now, Estrada with 13 seconds to shoot. Long three, no good on that one. And now NCF Tigers still looking to add a point here. And that's a connection between Nuwada and Palahe. Brought to us by Mariano Optical with that kind of assist. Now, UNC Tri-Fit Naga. 15 seconds to shoot here. Fastigi passes to Estrada now. Togan may hawak ng bola. 58-88. And Garcia getting that basket. Now 28 big point lead of NCF Tigers. Pinakamalaki pong kalamangan. And with this remaining minutes, mahihirapan po yung UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And looking at that one, ang dami pong turnovers yung nagagawa nila dito. Sa fourth quarter pa lamang. And hindi din bumaba yung performance na pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers. At katulad nga nung sinabi mo dito, Jasper, talagang malaki yung
malaki talaga din yung eagerness at dedication itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga na makabawi kontra dito sa ating NCF Tigers. But as we can see, medyo natitigilan na rin itong ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga habang bumabawas or patuloy na nagbabawas yung ating oras dito. And as we can see on that last sequence, 3-pointer from Nuwada on the side of the NCF Tigers. A minute and 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. At Ken Estrada makakakuha dito ng 3 free throws. And that foul was committed by San Gabriel of the NCF Tigers. Very big lead, 30 points. Isipin mo din, it's a semifinals match at ganyan kalaki yung lamang nitong ating NCF Tigers. Talagang pinanghahawakan nila yung title nilang undefeated team dito sa ating OBL Level Cup Season 1.
Well, we expect a good game from UNC Tri-Fit Naga and NCF Tigers. But now, looking at that point, NCF Tigers talagang ni-ready nila yung kanilang sarili para dito sa laban nila against UNC Tri-Fit Naga. And with this remaining minutes and seconds, mahihirapan na po ang UNC Tri-Fit Naga na habulin yan. So we're just waiting for that final buzzer to claim that the NCF Tigers will be the first team that will go on our finals dito sa Oragon Basketball League Level Cup Season 1. 1 minute and 10 seconds, but look at that. Still a big gap of NCF Tigers. So, kudos din sa pinakitang performance dito ng UNC Tri-Fit Naga, most especially sa mga key players nila dito na sina Fastin, Amaro, we have Karunan, Taugan, Batian Sala, and the rest of the players of UNC Tri-Fit Naga for showcasing their talent and exceptional skills dito sa Oragon Basketball League LFL Cup. Now with that 42 seconds remaining, 67-95, still NCF Tigers naging consistent po sa pinakita nilang performance dito ngayong hapon na ito. And they really deserve to be here at this moment kasi grabe yung pinakita nilang laban dito against UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Medyo natitigilan na rin itong ating mga players. And that's it. We're just waiting for the final buzzer. And as you can see, the players for both of these teams nagkakanya-kanyang shake hands na. At syempre, congratulations sa ating NCF Tigers for being or for still the undefeated team dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League A-Level Cup Season 1. And of course, sa ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga dahil napakagandang performance rin yung ipinakita nila dito sa ating semifinals. First game ngayong Sabado. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the end of the fourth quarter. Don't go away because we'll be right back para makilala ang ating best player of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
May hirap at sakripisyo, ngunit sa dulo nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon, tagumpay ang totoo. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, ang lotro. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi natin bibig. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi nating bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Ladies and gentlemen, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 14, Alwin Margalio with 22 big points, 2 rebounds, brought to us by the Naga College Foundation, home of the Champions Leap into the future. Now, Coach, gusto ko lang pong matanong kung ano po yung masasabi nyo sa performance ng ating NCF Tigers ngayong semifinals since undefeated po yung team nyo and yung naging laban nyo po ngayong Sabado kontra dito sa ating UNC Tri-Fit Naga.
Yung first half, medyo naging tight pa yung game kasi parang crudo eh. Parang diesel yung team. So sabi ko sa kanila, since na sila yung mga talagang active varsity is nag-ensayo talaga lagi. Kaming mga alumni, pasul-pasul po lang kasi syempre mga busy rin sa trabaho. And yun na nga, pagdating ng second half, kinausap ko lang din naman yung mga bata. Sabi ko, best lang, give your best, and trabaho lang kasi sabi ko, practice momentum, dire-diretso hanggang finals. So sabi ko nga, para sa finals, pagandaan natin kasi magiging classic talaga yung parating na championship.
So yun po, Coach. Speaking of the finals, ano po yung kailangan naming abangan on the side of the NCF Tigers since ayun na nga po na-mention mo na magiging classic yung laban?
Siguro kasi baka makompleto kami sa first championship na parating. Like siguro si Ojula will play and let's see kung available. And ako makakalaro pa ako ng isang game before we travel to palarong pambansa.
Okay, so kaabang-abang talaga, Coach, yung magiging laban nyo ngayong paparating na championships. And now, I am giving you the floor to shout out sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa inyo ngayong laban nyo.
First of all, maraming salamat po sa NCF community and syempre sa school president, kay Sir Mario na palaging nakasupport sa team, sa manager namin, kay Boss Joel Villanueva, sa Coach Brian, sa coaching staff and sa mga players. And syempre, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng NCF Tigers, maraming salamat and abangan nyo kami sa paparating na finals. And thank you sa lahat.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our best player of the game brought to us by the Naga College Foundation. And of course, our best player of the game will receive Oragon Basketball League Level Cup, Limited Edition Cup, and of course, gift certificates from Kuya Boy Halo Halo and Safe Gasoline. Maraming salamat po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon, kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game from the side of Naga College Foundation Tigers, Coach Alwin Margalio. Once again po ang ating best player of the game at naghihintay na po ang NCF Tigers sa ating finals ng Oragon Basketball League LOL Cup Season 1. Once again, ako po si Cristina Canzo Reyes.
And I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for the first game of our semifinals. And of course, sa ating courtside reporters, we have Casey Anchoquia and Zay Meñano. And of course, tutok lamang kayo dahil ang susunod na laban natin, it will be a showdown talaga because it will be the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and the USI Falcons. Maraming salamat po. This is Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Moraga? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!